Maayong adlaw sa inyong tanan, this is Klein, inyong admin sa Little Faith. Now, there was once a very successful treasure hunter named Ed. Ang curiosity ni Ed started when he was still a 9-year-old kid with his grandfather dito sa mines. Years passed, and in 1877, Ed discovered the tombstone silver, made it big. And with that, he bought a house for his parents, got married, and settled down. As Ed was getting older, he found favor in his nephew. And one day, he was found lying face down on the floor in his cabin, dead. He died from a heart attack. But beside him was a jar with samples of gold, also with a note that says he found gold that would make the tombstone silver like nothing, along with a set of directions toward that particular mine. And with all this information at hand, his nephew packed up his things, traveled, and searched for this fortune only to return home empty-handed. Now, ladies and gentlemen, in Hebrews 11 verse 8 it says, "By faith, Abraham obeyed when he was called to go out to a place that he was to receive as an inheritance, and he went out not knowing where he was going." Brothers and sisters, what I want to tell everybody of you this morning is that both of these people packed up their things, traveled, and followed instructions. Now, the difference between the two is that Ed's nephew returned empty-handed. However, Abraham was promised that he would be inheriting that land wherein he would be traveling to. And it isn't just somebody ang nagpromise kang Abraham. It was God Himself. Now, the most important question is, do we have that kind of faith that both of these men have? When given instructions, andam ba ta mosunod? Mis kag wala ta kabalo asa ta padulong? Mis kag dili ta sure nga naa ba gyud kaya tay makuha in the end? Now remember, Abraham was a wealthy man. He had animals, he had servants, but when God told him to depart from this place, he went forth. Iyang gibiyaan ang iyang ang lugar nga kung sa diin siya nadato, iyang gibiyaan iyang kabtangan, iyang gibiyaan ang iyang negosyo, iyang gibiyaan ang iyang puy-anan. And the Bible clearly tells us that he doesn't even know where he's going, yet he followed God without a doubt. Now today, as we start a new year, I encourage everybody of you to follow Jesus. Bisan asa man ta niya ilid, bisan asa man ta niya dalon, bisan wala ta kabalo og naa ba tay magidansya ani nga lakaw. And as we go through the whole year, always remember that all it takes is a little faith. God bless you, ug ambay pirmi.